How's it going, guys? It's Chris here with Street Geeks, and I got another video for you guys. So in my last video I did a review of Printful and Printify on their t-shirt and hoodie quality, the print quality and everything like that. In addition to that, I also went ahead and got some samples for their snapbacks and their beanies. So I wanted to share with you guys what to expect whenever you do print on demand for your hats and your beanies. And so I think the hats came out really dope. I think in terms of the quality of the hat, it's a pretty decent quality hat. You can see they got the embroidery on there. Depending on what type of design that you have will determine whether you can get flat embroidery, or they also have an option for 3D embroidery. So with my hat, I wanted 3D embroidery at first, but because the letters are so thin, they didn't have the ability to give it that 3D look. So we had to go with the flat embroidery, but still it came out really nice. I'm pretty happy with it. So this is what it looks like. And also, when you create your hats, you can print on the side and also on the back. I did put the port on the back, as you can see, in white embroidery. So it's a pretty dope hat. I like it. You know what I mean? I think, you know what I mean? It's a pretty dope hat. Feels good, looks good. You know what I mean? So I'm pretty impressed with the hats. If you're looking to get hats made for your brand, Printful, you know, they do have pretty good quality on their hats. So something you want to look into. They have all different colors you can mess with, and so the cost on the hat was $16.45. Which isn't bad, because these hats you can sell for about 30 bucks, 35 bucks, maybe more. I've paid up to $50 for snapbacks. So I would price this right around $35. Like I said, I also purchased a beanie. Okay, the beanies are pretty dope. The only thing I'd probably change is to use some thicker font, but overall the look and the feel is pretty dope. I'm a beanie guy. I like to wear hats because I'm bald, so my head is cold in the winter time, you know, so you want a nice, my head is cold in the winter time, so you want a nice, you know, warm beanie to go on your peanut head, you feel me? So they feel great, they look great. I think that if you're looking to get some hats made for your brand, this is a good way to start out, you know what I mean? Eventually you do want to move into having them manufactured in bulk, because of course when you do things in bulk you save money and you increase your profit margin. So, but that's it, just a quick video. Wanted to show you guys what to expect with the hats. They look pretty good. Got some pretty decent options in terms of design. I can say that I'm actually impressed. I'm impressed. So, but that's it for today's video. I'll holler at you guys later.